Hi everyone, it's Jasmill and I'm back from Colombia. If you guys didn't know, I took like a 2-month break and went to Colombia, went on adventures, took a break from life, and now I'm back. And now I'm gonna go back to doing my beauty fashion videos like I was before, and I want to keep growing this channel. We're almost at 1,000 and I can't wait till we get to 1,000. I'm gonna do a huge YouTube giveaway, and on my Instagram when we get to 5K I'm gonna do a huge 5K giveaway as well. So please subscribe so you can be a part of my growth and a part of my channel. And I want to do a YouTube series focusing on the Vogue celebrity makeup routines, and I want to recreate them to see how it turns out for me, to see if I can learn some tips, to see if I can show you guys and help you guys learn how to do your makeup just by watching me, because I feel like that's where it all began. I started watching YouTube to learn how to do my makeup and to learn new techniques and play around and practice, and I just love these recreation videos. And today I'm doing JHENE AIKO. I, you know, have this fun, like naturally pretty and enhancing your own features kind of look. She's so beautiful and she really doesn't need much. I love her so much. I love her music. Alright, so I'm about to start doing my makeup like the JHENE AIKO Vogue video. So I probably don't have everything that they use, like all the... Damn, I'm about to have to turn off my fan because it's too much noise, but I'm so hot. Alright, so I'm just gonna have to talk really loud because I cannot turn off my fan. I need it. Like, it is so hot.
What's up? I'm JHENE AIKO, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do my daytime, everyday makeup look. My first step.
She's so cute. Okay, so her first thing is eyebrows. She's using a brow pencil, and I do have a brow pencil, but I like the brush and the gel just because it's more precise.
Cousins, or what is it? Sisters, not twins.
She says that eyebrows can sometimes take 20 minutes, and I'm not like I wasn't like a huge eyebrow person, but I understand what she means. Like sometimes you do really want to perfect your brow. Like 20 minutes later, finish my brows. I kind of made them like straight like her and into a little point. I always like this brow better than this brow.
I do my eyeshadow. I believe this is like the OG Naked palette. I really love the names of these, and I'm like one of the people.
So she's bringing back the OG Naked Decay, Urban Decay Naked palette, the first Naked palette. Guys, this was the first like high-end eyeshadow palette that I ever bought. I remember all by myself with my own money, saved up, and this palette I just remember was so beautiful. Right now I feel like I would have loved it if there was more mattes, but I love like the golden shimmer colors and everything. I gave it to my mom because I was like, I don't use this anymore, so mommy here. But she didn't even use it either, so I think I'm just gonna keep it back in my collection because this is like, you know, like a classic, one of those eyeshadow palettes that you just want to keep forever. She wants me to use these two, guys, Hustle and Toasted. So let's
build it up just a little. It just adds like a little depth to my eyes.
Everyone has like lash extensions on, and it makes them look so feminine, and you don't even have to put on lashes. Them up. So I don't know how I feel about that. I'm just gonna slightly diffuse this a little bit. Okay, it looks horrible. Looks horrible on me. It's not coming out like her, but she has like perfect eyes. It's a little bit underneath here too. I'm just gonna take my real fluffy brush, and I'm gonna take a little bit of Naked and just softly diffuse the crease into the brow transition because it came up way too high.
Do the eyes first because with the concealer I can clean up anything that's, you know.
She uses Pro Conceal. I don't have Pro Conceal, so I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution concealer. I'm just gonna put some oil on my face. It's argan oil from Physicians Formula because my face got really dry over the summertime. Okay, so she does this with her concealer. She like highlights, reverse contours the nose. This like $1 makeup sponge from Shop Miss A, which I really like. I would definitely buy it again. It's only $1. I really want
Nars Sheer Glow.
Let's keep going.
Syracuse. Make sure you have your pump so you don't waste.
So she uses Nars Sheer Glow, but I stopped using Sheer Glow. I remember when I first used it, it was like the best thing that I ever thought was on the market. Like, I thought that was the best foundation on the market. I love that it had such a yellow golden undertone that it matched my winter face, and I was like, this is amazing. I've never seen such a yellow foundation. I've never seen, like, I love the consistency and everything. And then I bought it, and the more I used it, the more I found out that it was kind of drying. Like, and I keep loving is the Too Faced, and this is in the color Caramel. This is like my year-round color, but because I was in the tropics, I was in Colombia for 2 months, and now I'm back, I got definitely more tan and more red. So I'm gonna mix it with Chestnut NYX foundation drops. See how lighter that is than what my skin looks like? Always using Truffle by Fenty. If you guys know me, you guys know that I always use this. I just love it. I'm just gonna follow the natural contours like she says. No. She's using Kat Von D palette, and I never bought it because I feel like it's too light for me, but I've always wanted to use it because I love Kat Von D's powders. They're super buttery and super soft. So I'm gonna just use my powder contour, which is the CoverFX mineral powder in N's 110. And I'm just using a little buffing brush and contouring my nose.
It's done. This is what adds that glow.
Now she's doing highlighter.
I use my finger.
What does she use for powder? Okay, I'm just gonna use, I've been loving Champagne Pop, especially for the summertime, especially when I'm tan. So I'm gonna use it again. So she sets with a setting spray, not a setting powder.
I kind of just pat it lightly. When I'm wearing makeup like days in a row, my skin gets super congested and just doesn't like it. When I'm around like the people that know me the best, I don't wear any makeup. Even like my boyfriend, I'm just like, you know how I look at this point. Like, eyebrows. And I'm gonna use it sort of as an eyeliner. Sort of extend it.
She's using her eyebrow pencil as eyeliner.
It's super precise.
Oh, it does add a little bit of drama.
And it out just a little bit.
Alright, now I'm gonna smoke out the outer corner just like she does. Right here. She like smokes it out. Put like shimmer on the inner corner. She didn't use the Urban Decay Naked. She used like some weird cream pencil, but I'm just gonna go back into the Naked and I'll take Sidecar. It's a really pretty silvery pink color. Just to go along with this. Yes. A lot more than. But I don't really, mascara isn't like my favorite thing. Even when I put mascara on my real lashes, I feel like I don't really care about the difference that it makes. So like it makes a little difference, but it's not like crazy.
I'm not very picky when it comes to mascara, so I don't use any mascara. I use lip gloss and just let my natural like pink lip
gloss, and I just have like Gloss Bomb from Fenty. So I'm just gonna use that.
I'm done. So I've told you all my secrets, and now I'm gonna go. Bye.
It's like a cute little not natural because we used a lot of makeup. Not a lot of makeup, but we used enough. But it's like not striking either. It's very just playing up your natural features. That's pretty much it. So I hope you guys learned a couple tips. This is definitely not how I do my makeup. I hope you guys like the series, and I definitely want to do the other ones. I'm gonna do Kylie next, and then Rihanna's makeup Vogue series and other things that I find on this channel. Please like this video if you like the series, and comment down below on what you want to see next or what you want from me, my channel, and let's just keep going, keep supporting each other, and keep going. All right, bye.